Yeah? Raise your hand for me. You are, ma'am? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and let you know, since I am the driver, if we get stuck, anything like that, I do have to stay with the bus. We will send one of those who are afraid of snakes back for help, since they make it back the quickest.
Sounds perfect.
I'm just kidding.
Hold on. Okay, one more time.
Hold on tight.
Woo! Oh, this is fun right here. I don't think my Hummer could go through this. Yeah? Hold on.
It's mud in the water.
Yeah. Dave, on this side. What?
Huh?
It's the same thing, Dave.
It's cleaning the tires.
It's cleaning the tires?
Yeah.
Dave, you think you can swim in that water?
Yeah.
How about you, Mina?
Yeah.
It's a lot of water, right?
That's not that tall.
That is that tall. This one is way bigger than you, Dave. I think I see cows. I think they need this for when they have hurricane and stuff, the vehicle.
I don't want to go in the water.
They go to cows? Yeah. Look at the cow. Look, he's in the way. Look, he's a security guard. He's a security guard. He's not going to let us pass. Look, they're coming over. See, they start with A's.
They start with A's?
Yeah, you see the A on the back? A5. They start with a number on the back.
Look at that little cow.
Yeah. See?
Now, can we look?
You guys want to feed these cows?
Sure. Sai, he's calling you, Josiah.
Dad, how big is that little cow?
It may be a little hard to slide out.
Can I ride one? How big is that little cow?
There you guys go.
Just drop it. There. What was that? Get put on. Come over here, guys. Let's feed him. Over here.
Don't hit one.
Don't. Yeah.
Cows are strictly beef, no dairy. Did you guys see the juice coming out of their mouth when they chew those grapefruit? That is how we make our orange juice. We have free samples when you get back.
Throw it?
Yeah, throw one.
Look, how come they have the name on it?
Oh, somebody got one.
Careful, guys.
Don't throw it at them.
Ew,
This is one of our bulls up here that is lucky.
Oh, he's a big one.
Up here in the front left, he is quite a bit bigger than the rest of them.
Yeah.
What about that brown one? What about that?
Yeah.
girls eat so many oranges like they get coming out of their
Hey, Didi, you can't have two. I'm gonna give one to Lucky. I'm gonna give one to Lucky.
There he go. There go the big bull.
Which one? The black one?
Right there. You see right there. He coming. See how big he is? He walks like he walks with an attitude.
Who? Which one?
The big one.
You want some right there? One is getting milk. That way?
Go it, Mina.
Oh, I see one getting milk.
No, sir. We'll keep about 30 of them. We'll keep about 30 babies, send about 30 oldest cows to
You save me a
Look at the little baby one. Daisy, come see the little baby.
Look at the little baby one. Oh, look at that little baby one.
Chloe, see you. No screaming. My turn.
Lucky got it?
Yup.
Good throw, Si.
Where's Lucky?
Lucky's the big one.
Where is
Right there.
him?
Yeah.
Dark black?
They all black.
Oh,
You see the difference?
yeah. But he's like big too.
Yeah.
I know. I was thinking this. Hey, everybody's going to get Lucky today. Yeah, but he is a big one.
All right, I'm throwing it to. There you go, Lucky.
The other one got it.